Hey, Claire here, gemologist and jewelry designer for the Moontree Boutique. I am coming live today because I just bought a bunch of new gemstones and I thought I would do like an unboxing type of video. So they just arrived fresh from India in a teeny tiny little box. And I like to buy my gemstones straight from the factory that cuts and polishes them. So there's pros and cons to doing it this way. The con is that when you get them, they're pretty unaesthetic and they're covered in machine oil from being cut and polished. They have not been cleaned or organized. This is wholesale. But the plus side is I'm paying like a quarter of what I would if I were buying the stones by the piece, which allows me to keep my prices down on the finished jewelry. And I find that quite helpful and totally worth the extra time it takes to clean and grade the gemstones. Woo-wee, this thing is Fort Knox up in here. All right. Wow, I got it open. Let's see what we have here. I didn't place a huge order this time. I think it was like $100 or $200 of gems. I should have gotten some scissors. Maybe I can wing it. Uh-oh, she needs scissors and she doesn't have any in the desk. Oh no! Continuity of my video will be ruined because I have to go run and find scissors. Oh, maybe not. Alright, my recollection was the thing I was the most excited about was some carved amethyst cabochons. And these have been carved in India, as I mentioned, and they're carved in the traditional Mughal style. I tend to really like things that are in a historical tradition. And if you've ever been to India, you will see that in the architecture and artwork, their stone carving is absolutely unparalleled. Oh yeah, now I'm remembering what I got. This is exciting. Okay. All right, what have we here? Woo, these are greasy. Ooh, that really strongly smells like machine oil. It kind of smells like you're at the waiting room of like the Jiffy Lube. Okay. Guys, this is exciting. Here are the amethysts. They are super duper purple and beautiful. Oh yes. Oh yes. Okay. So you can see that these are nice and translucent and purple. And best of all, they are beautifully carved with traditional geometric designs and then also some floral motifs. So these will look really pretty when they're made up. But I don't know if you can tell. They are greasy, covered in machine oil. You get what you pay for. Okay, so amethyst, we have 3, 6, 9, 10 of those. Beautiful. Often what I do is I will pick a few to just sell as cabochons, not make them into anything to help offset the cost, and then I'll make everything else up. Oh yeah, so this is right. That's right. I know Labradorite is kind of played out in the market right now, and Labradorite cabs are not going for a premium, but these Labradorite cabs are carved. So as you can see, they are just flashy and gorgeous. Each one is hand carved completely differently. And these are exceptional. I'll do really well with these. And there's a lot of benefits of buying wholesale. So I couldn't say, oh, I want this piece, I don't want that piece, give me the third one from the left. No, it's like you get what you get within parameters. And there's going to be some duds in the group. There might be one in here that really doesn't have any flash. No, that one's gorgeous. But it's worth it because maybe I'm paying, you know, a dime a piece or a quarter a piece or something like that. Like, not a lot of money. So it really pays to buy bulk. Okay, so we have some amethyst. We have some carved labradorite. This is fun too. This is what's next. These are just tumble polished chrysoprase chips. And ordinarily chip beads are, or tumbled chips or whatever, are not considered as good as cut and polished cabochons or beads. But they're perfect for me because I use them as accent stones with my kind of discount pendants. And I can go through and kind of high grade them and pick the best examples to use in my jewelry and resell the rest. So chrysoprase is something I love. It's often mined in Australia. It's like a minty green color. And it's totally natural. All these stones are totally natural. I don't deal with dyed or synthetic or anything like that. So we have our mountain of chrysoprase, our carved labradorite, and our carved amethyst so far. Sorry about the camera being totally amateur. That is the case. I am not good at this. I'm cutting my head off. I'm not great at making videos. So let's see what's next. This is about the gems, not my face anyway. So, all right. Next up. Oh yeah. So here we have almost 300 carats of faceted lapis lazuli. Ooh la la. So this lapis has pyrite inclusions in it as well. And so you can see it's a natural vivid blue. These are what are called checker top. It's a type of faceting pattern on the top, and then they're flat on the back, which makes them perfect for setting and rings and all of that type of stuff. So here are some very greasy, unsorted lapis lazuli. The little white dots are calcite inclusions, and the little gold flecks are pyrite. Look at that one. It has a nice big calcite stripe. So this material is very beautiful. It's totally natural. It's from Afghanistan. Let's see what else we have. These are beautiful, beautiful the house down boots. I love these. These are one of my favorite stones to work with. This is a natural brown star sapphire. So people think of sapphires being blue, but sapphires can be any color. And in this case, they are brown. And inside the brown sapphire, there's inclusions of titanium crystals that are so fine you can't see them with the naked eye, but they create this phenomenon inside the stone where you have like an incredible reflectiveness and almost iridescent quality that is caused by the light being interfered with by the rutile crystals as it enters into the sapphire. So that's outrageous. So far we have chrysoprase, sapphire, lapis, amethyst, labradorite. Let's see what the last and final delight is in this unboxing haul from one of my Indian cutters. And I'm not going to give you the source. If you really want to know, you can DM me and I will contemplate giving away my sources. But I know if I tell you where to get these, you're not going to buy them from me. So, haha. So these, last item, this is natural black tourmaline. So these are crystals that have been cut into cabochons for jewelry, but they left the raw natural surface of the black tourmaline. Ooh, pardon my fingernails. So the sides and back are smooth and polished and also covered in machine oil. And then the top is like the raw natural surface of the gemstone as it formed in the earth. So I've always liked these raw surface cabochons. I feel like it's a cool juxtaposition to the very smooth, shiny silver jewelry that I make. So there you have it. This is my little unboxing haul from my most recent purchase from India, although I did very late at night last night order like $400 of fire agate. So there may be another unboxing video here coming soon. I hope you enjoyed this, and stay tuned to see what I make with these beautiful things. All right.